Planning a trip to Italy? Packing smart can make your journey smoother and more enjoyable. Let's explore some packing hacks to help you travel light, stay organized, and keep your belongings safe. Start with packing cubes to maximize space and keep everything tidy. Build a capsule wardrobe by choosing neutral colors that mix and match easily. Rolling clothes instead of folding saves space and reduces wrinkles. Choose comfortable walking shoes you'll actually wear all day, and wear your bulkiest items on the plane to save luggage room. Don't forget to pack comfortable sandals for relaxing evenings after exploring. Use travel-sized toiletries and zip bags to keep liquids secure. Carry a reusable water bottle and a compact umbrella to stay hydrated and prepared for Italy's unpredictable weather. Keep medications and essential documents in your carry-on. Bring a crossbody anti-theft bag to keep valuables close and hidden. Pack a European power adapter and a portable charger to keep your devices powered. Download offline maps before you go to navigate without internet. Leave space for Italian shopping by packing a foldable tote bag. Carry healthy snacks and a lightweight scarf for comfort. Do a final checklist to ensure nothing is forgotten. For more details, check out our travel packing blog posts at https://traveldreamsinc.com. Subscribe for more practical Italy travel tips and happy packing.